Okay, hello friends, this is Yusuf here. In this video, we're gonna see how to install ACS. But before that, I would like to give one information. Okay, so from the last video which I made about learn in 2019, right? I was discussing about the Python thing, and immediately I got a Facebook request from a person called Gopal, and then he said that there is a thing called NPTEL, okay, which offers free online courses. Then when I go and check in, right, I was just amazed because NPTEL is actually a thing which is founded by IIT of seven IIT of India, okay, and also IAS of Bangalore. Okay, so those eight institutions joined together and then created something called NPTEL. So NPTEL stands for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. The very good thing is actually they offer a lot and lot of content online for free, which has variety of engineering. Okay, it has everything. Okay, and also the another best thing is they offer a online certification and you'll get a direct certificate from the IIT itself. So how cool is this? I was really thankful to that guy called Gopal. Okay, I don't know who he is. He just pinged me and then said this. Okay, and you can see there is already a 1.3 million subscribers on YouTube. So I was wondering how I was not able to get this one before. So anyway, I would definitely recommend this. Even I'm going to take some courses, and then there is I think the March month or so there is some exams are there. So I'm just thinking to attend that. But just for the information, okay, but because sharing is best if you are like studying or you're just getting into the job, okay, especially if you're in India or even outside India, not a problem, okay, but this provides a lot of good content. So I would recommend this. Maybe you can check this out. Now let's go back to our ACS. Okay. What is ACS? So ACS stands for Access Client Solution. Okay. Previously, we used to access the IBMi using Windows Emulator. So if you remember, I was already given a downloadable link using which you can download a trial period of 60 days. I don't know how many of guys using it, but the thing is that is alternative already available as ACS software. So this is also a free based on Java basically and provided by IBM. So if you want to get it by your own, right, basically you need to go to the IBM website and then register yourself as a not a developer, just get your IBM ID basically, and then you can download it for free. And there is no trial period in those stuffs. Okay, it's free for uh, lifetime. Okay, but if you don't want to do that, right, I made your job easy. I have already downloaded it and then I have put it in my Google Drive. So I will give this link in the description. So basically what you need to do, you just go to that link and then click the download icon, and then once you download it, right, it will come like this. There is a folder with ACS. Okay, and you can see these are all the folders inside. The good thing is it is not only for Windows, you can do it for Linux, Mac as well, because it runs basically on Java. So the only one prerequisite for this is you should have Java installed in your machine. So you should have Java version at least 8 and above. So what next? So you go to the Windows application, and then if you are a Windows user, and then you can click any of the script which is 32-bit or 62-bit. Is it for only you or for all users, kind of stuff. So you can just run it with something like Windows based script Ghost. You should be having it, or you just double click it. So it will ask you a couple of questions. So I already installed it, so I have that question here. So it will ask you like, do you want a FAT2 emulator? Okay, do you want to use the profile? And then some yes or no questions. Okay, I gave everything yes except few, which I will tell what. For SSL I gave no. Okay, and then DSL. Okay, for HMC console I said no, and then for system debugger I said no. So apart from that I gave yes for everything. And once you you have given all these options, right, there will be a JavaScript running in the background, and you will get the ACS installed, and then you get this icon in the desktop. So now how to connect using this. So if you double click it, you will get ACS open. So you can see a Java application basically running, and then you will be getting it's take time. Okay, first time it will take time. Yeah, okay. So we came. Okay, so here is what the ACS first screen. So how do we configure it? So there are a few things here. I can go to the system configurations. Okay, and you can add or remove. sorry. Okay, you can add or remove. Okay, basically, so here I have already added the pub 400 IP address. So basically, if you want to add, right, go to new and just give the system name, which is the pub 400, and then go to connection. Wait, let me do it. So if you go edit it, okay, you can see system name is for 400. Go to connection. So you can just give prompt user for every time, and then here you specify IP address, and then give the IP address here. That's it. Okay, and then console. I don't think I give anything. Okay, cool. So now if you create this particular system configuration, right, what happens is it automatically populates into this thing. So and then you can just select that system and then come here, select 5250 emulator. And once you click that, right, there should be a separate window coming in. So I can log in. Hopefully it will work. Okay, it just takes time. Yeah, it's trying to connect. It's still connecting. Yeah, so okay, let it connect. So this is the 400, I mean the ACS emulator basically, and you can see there are other options available here. Like we have a IFS, which is a file system. We can view it, and then navigate to for I, and then we can also run the script directly on the server using the run SQL scripts. Okay, so these are all some options. You can just explore it. I'm not sure why it takes time, but anyway, I don't want to keep you waiting on this. So you can try this. Okay, there is some error. Okay, no problem. Okay, so you can try this from your side and then let me know how this helps you. And since it's free, right? So free and also it's not a trial version, you can just have it in your system. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with a different concept. Thank you.